My role at Olympus is a repair scheduler for the National Service Centre. I have been with Olympus for close to 3 years, so I started in March. Walking into the night, I had no suspicions at all that I would be nominated or win. It was a massive, massive surprise. I think it was more than a surprise. I was extremely shocked. First of all, being on stage and nominated, that was a massive thing. And then having Garama and May there as well, I thought there was just no chance. But when I saw my little picture, I was like, oh my God, that's me. And I can't believe it. And honestly, I think I was about to cry. But I was just absolutely shocked and amazed and stunned. Winning the OAZCA actually, it was very humbling to even be nominated by my managers, to know that they recognised my efforts during the year and to know that I was and is a part of a team. I think even for my personal growth and my professional development, it's sort of for me to recognise that, my managers back me and my peers also sort of congratulate and back me, and it's just given me sort of more confidence to kind of go, you know what, maybe I do make good decisions and maybe I've got a good thing going, and to sort of put my foot out there and take a couple of risks and challenges when normally I might take a bit of a back seat. So it's given me that sort of extra boost, if you will. So with the OAZCA Award, the winner gets $5,000 in professional development and another $5,000 in Shining Stars points. So with that, with the $5,000 for the professional development, I plan to visit the other Olympuses around the world, hopefully narrow it down to maybe Keymed or Japan, and hopefully bring the different learnings back to Olympus Australia, New Zealand, and see what they do over there and see how we can incorporate that. It's my team, so I think to sum up the award, I would say my team being the two biggest words. All of the credit actually goes to them. I'm just a support system for them, and if I don't have the team, I can't do what I do. So they make my life at Olympus so much better every day. I think it's a great way to sort of think about the year and think about who's been not performing very well, but contributing to the company as well. Obviously, our managers are really important, so having a one-on-one with them regularly really helps to go through the different challenges that you're facing. On personal reflection, would say that just come in, I come in every day and I try the very best that I possibly can, and I leave at the end of the day knowing that I have given my 110%.
Yeah.